Hi Navina.
Hi.
So tell me the significance of creating a pottery corridor in India. What would it actually entail?
It would mean that from north to south, east to west, and there are such fascinating stories about the pottery that I had introduced the idea of skilled corridors. So can you imagine a pottery? People go all the way to look at Turkish pottery, Iranian pottery, etc. But in India, for instance, the serpentine pottery in Manipur, which is made by women,
Mhm.
they have so many legends attached to it that it actually signifies the woman's womb. The taste of the food is better.
So pottery was imbibed in our everyday life and culture, isn't it?
Absolutely. Even today, you get the Kashmiri phirni made in a pottery, the biryani being served in a pottery. You have even people who don't want to use fridge. They still take water from the matka. So pottery is everywhere.
So on in the map of India specifically, right from Kashmir to Rajasthan to
South
Manipur
India.
to Gujarat, every state has its unique pottery story, and that would really make a very interesting heritage walk pottery corridor.
Absolutely. So, Exhibiting India, the Art of Heritage Walk, my first book, which is called Performing India, Performing Heritage. In that, you get the story of the Matka Peer in Delhi, how these rituals become a wish fulfilling utensils to be hung on trees.
Lovely. I've been to Matka Peer, and certainly there's a spiritual, there's a historical essence in it, and pottery is imbibed in the very storytelling that one hears in
How
Matka
can one
Peer.
forget? How can one forget Sohini Mehwal?
Absolutely,
You know, so
absolutely. Punjab potters were known for their very innate different style. Mitti,
Mitti.
we are so rooted in our
because
mitti.
Mitti is the mother earth, and in South India you get such a plethora of pottery again. In fact, I'd gone to Badami, and they were serving in black pots wonderful dahi. I have
Oh.
yet to taste such
So
wonderful
now,
dahi.
with the nutritionist coming back, almost it's become a trend on Instagram to start making dahi in a pottery clay utensil.
And also they make wonderful gifts, the intricate Harappa designs still continuing in Kutch. They make wonderful gifts. There are all kind of innovations from angels to bells and all kind of things because all the murtis, the clay murtis that you get on the roadside. So pottery opens a huge potential for India's pottery tourism, destination pottery of incredible India.
So the biggest challenge right now is that we are losing our handicrafts, and it's an art, it's our culture, it's our history. How can we really make pottery
So
a part of our everyday life
So
again?
I think it's all about brand building. So I try to do this under an NGO called Foundation for Arts, where we, with the help of the American Embassy, the British High Commission, with Anjali Ilamenan, coming into Khurja to make a whole load of branded stuff and make Khurja a pottery destination like Ballarat, which Picasso did in Europe. So that's the kind of fillip we need to bring back pottery as a fashion tool.
Fantastic. Keep tuned in to our stories.